We have 4 nice Gloster chicks here, 14 days old, 2 coronas and 2 consorts, which is about a perfect little clutch, to be honest. I don't take the eggs out, and you can see they're all roughly the same size. Start work early in the morning, and I don't really have time to take them out, and I've not found any difference. I think it's more natural for the hen to have a chick opening every 3 or 4 hours instead of 4 eggs all hatching at the same time. They're 14 days old, and I've just put the second nest in yesterday because the hen started picking stuff up. The mum's a 3-part dark corona hen, and the cock, if I can get him up. They never sit still when you want them to. Cock's a yellow feathered bird. There you go, there he is. And I'm hoping these young ones will have nice type and nice feather quality.